Gonna head in and tour the Test Track gear shop. I did do a walkthrough of all this place some years ago, but since then they renovated, so I want to see what the store looks like. I bet you they changed it around since I was in here last. So let's go look around. You hear a Test Track up there going really, really fast. Yeah, this isn't what I remember, but then it's been a while. All the usual stuff. How much these jackets are? I bet you they're not cheap. $149.99. And then looks like these little shirts are $49.99 for those little shirts. Ooh. Expensive. There's some car stuff. It just is probably not cheap. $29.99. Looks like they have some little. Some more car stuff. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure how different it looks. I wasn't actually planning on coming here now. Kind of a last minute thing. There's the showroom for the cars. That looks kind of like how I remember, but like I said, it's been a while since I've been in here. Of course, there's the new logo right there. Looks like they have some GM merchandise, some Buick merchandise. Official, $31.99 for that shirt.
Oh, I need some more, girl.
Oh, these are nice. $19.99 GM mugs. Of course, GMC hats, Chevrolet hats and shirts. A Cadillac. That's the same Chevrolet Cadillac. They have some Corvette stuff. $31.99 for that T-shirt. $29.99 for that, $44.99 for that. So, in case you're wondering, the stuff is not cheap. It's kind of cool. Good thing at a man cave. I don't see anything that's really like Test Track specific. They have drinks here too, but nothing that really says too much that says Test Track on it. It's interesting, you hear the Test Track, the ride to go by every time, just thunders the building. Someone's definitely having fun. Yeah, don't really see very much in the way of Test Track merchandise for the ride itself. Unless I'm completely missing it, and I don't think so. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's right here in the middle. Looks like there's a t-shirt. Smaller t-shirt. That's it looks like.
You can have it. You can have the box.
Yeah, that's it. Let's see how much these are. I like this color blue though. It's nice. Let's see how much this is. $34.99 for this. Yeah, it's a nice t-shirt too. So they do have my size, 2X. Then they have smaller ones, smaller sizes for the kids, which is $26.99. So other than this t-shirt, that's the only thing I've seen around here that says Test Track. I'm going to have to look at my old video and see how the store looked. I don't remember. But you would think if they did very much a renovation of the ride up there, they would change this a lot. Alright.